Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off active status on Facebook and Messenger. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, we are going into the Messenger application here. Tap on these three bars in the top left corner and simply tap on this gear icon. Now go to active status and simply toggle this off. And you can see you have these options until I change it for 1 hour, 8 hour, or you can set custom time. I'm going for this until I change it. Tap on this pause and your active status is turned off completely from Messenger. Now from Facebook, just open the Facebook application, tap on the profile picture and simply tap on this gear icon here. Now you have to scroll down until you see this active status, tap on it and simply toggle this off. Tap on this turn off, and now as you can see, you won't see when your friends and connections are active or recently active on this profile. To make sure they can't see this info about you, turn this setting off. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel.